Years, 16 seasons actually since the first staging of Rising Stars, and with the 2-hour grand finale just around the bend, we're wondering how the two finalists are doing. And never, because he's the third finalist.
Yeah.
How's your preparation going? Oh, not so well. All right. Well, we're not going to... First one was Kayvon Gale. Kayvon, not Gale. Kayvon Gale is a union head.
Yeah.
Kayvon.
I just Kayvon him.
Yeah, he was so
or it's
good.
Kavan. Kayvon him come from
Kayvon
Portland.
is a
He
union.
was brilliant though.
Can we talk to the two who are actually in the competition though, or you want to just talk about?
Yeah, man. We don't want to talk to them. Why? Where are you laughing,
Wow,
please?
that was not a laugh, that was
No,
a
why are you
snort.
laughing, please?
All right, they're here. Celicia Ellis, Charlene Russell, tan tan tan. The showdown begins today. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for being here. What a journey, especially for you. I mean, we usually start with the ladies, but Charlene, let me start with you. You never was really supposed to be here. I mean, obviously you were supposed to be here, but you weren't in the first tranche round of finalists that were selected.
I would have to just thank again Aline for choosing me as her wild card. When she chose me, I thought maybe this is the last chance I have, to get into the music industry, and I tried to make the most of it. And I'm thanking Jamaica now for giving me continuously each week, voting for me.
How has it been, you guys? Celicia, how has it been?
It has been very amazing. I really enjoy the experience.
More pressure than you expected? Cause I'm sure you've been watching the show.
Yeah,
and you
man.
had
I thought it would have been more easier than I thought.
Oh, wow.
But when I came into the competition, man. Ooh.
What's the difficulty about it? Tell me what the journey has been like.
Most difficult part is campaigning, because when you go to certain people and certain things that they say to you, it really discourages sometimes, and you have to just bypass that and push forward, because you know what you want and you're pushing towards what you want.
Every year I interview the finalists and I ask them the same question. But Anthony, what is the worst thing Anthony said to you as the judge?
I can't recall.
I'm glad. That's a good answer. Because if you listen too much, should I take it?
Even if I wanted to forget persons on the road and campaigning, remind me every time. I look wet rag.
What's him said to you?
I say I look like a wet rag at one night.
You look like
a wet rag, yeah. I didn't agree with him, but I do my best not to look like
No,
that.
What did it have on?
I had on a white shirt with some florals on it. Florals. And,
Did he say anything about your voice?
no, he didn't say anything.
Okay, so you're right then. Wet rag is all he has.
So you don't remember what he said?
No, I can't really recall. He said anything.
You probably blocked
He
it.
didn't say anything bad?
Or maybe he didn't say anything bad, which is good.
I don't think he did. I don't remember.
Take us behind the scenes though, because you said when you're watching it looks easier, but behind the scenes, you guys, outside of the campaigning, you have a lot of voice coaching, you have a lot of rehearsals, has that been difficult for you, Charlene, or have you really just kind of soaked up the whole process?
Well, it's ups and downs, because I mean, when you're not getting something or you're not getting a song as you would want to get it as fast as possible, it's kind of frustrating, but it's good because, I mean, it's growth and, we're learning in the process.
I'm just looking at you now and you seem kind of shy to me.
Oh, Lord.
So how come you end up on stage and in front of everybody? Was that easy for you?
Yeah, it wasn't easy for me. Trying to not let anybody else notice, but yeah, it was...
I think you're actually doing quite well with that.
Yeah, man.
And the truth is that most performers are very, as you know, Sarah, are very, very shy and very laid back.
But you ever go up there and go...
Yeah, man, all the time.
So how you get through that? Because this can help other people also, how you get through a shy and a scared and nervous, but I'm going to deal with it.
All right, well, what I try to do is weigh what I'm doing and between and why I'm doing it. So why I'm doing it is more important than what I'm doing and what I'm doing. So I just think about the cause behind it. I like songs that inspire persons, so I can think about that one person that I can actually inspire. So I normally just look at, one area in the crowd or something like that, and it make me feel like, say, all right, it's a more simple thing I'm doing than.
Are you satisfied, or you really want this? You reached the final now. That good enough for you, or?
No, well, I am so grateful. Yes, but of course I entered the competition to win. So we both of us we are fighting. We are fighting, but we are friends.
Karen, are you gospel
I'm
or more inspirational?
I would say gospel,
You'd say
and
gospel.
inspirational.
Okay. What about you, Miss Felicia?
Both.
Yeah, both of them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what would winning this thing mean to you?
It will mean so much because I want to go back to school, and I know mommy and daddy can't really afford it, so I would just use it to just further my education and continue what I really need to do.
You are told what to do in the final, as in which genre or anything, or you decide what you want to do come final?
I mean, you mean the night coming? We're right now we're told.
We were told.
Like you're told
We-
which genre?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we were told.
Is it one song that you're going to be doing?
By ourselves, yes.
Okay.
And a duet and a group song.
Okay. Very cool.
Should I
Okay.
reveal that?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Shh, don't bring attention to it, but you know, it's going to keep it. What has your favorite song performance been?
For me, it's Flying Without Wings. It was my first song. It was a lot of nerves in that song, but the song was about actually, to me, being nervous and feeling incapable, but still doing well.
Give
So
a
it's
piece of
Flying
that
Without
song
Wings.
Take a part of it. So impossible. Take a part of it.
Alright. So impossible as they may seem,
No, sir.
you've got to fight
Is
for
that?
No,
No,
but go on,
sir.
go on. Go on.
No,
Go
sir.
on, David. Bad night.
to know
No, sir.
which one you let go would have made you complete. But for me, it's to say I love you.
Wait, wait, man, wait. Stop.
I show off now, though.
Stop. Yeah.
Sorry, no,
You have to go look at the thing I know, so you can't make him get to that.
What was your
cannot make him
favorite?
get
Yes,
to that.
Goosebumps. It happens.
You can't make him get to
My
it.
favorite song was Lion Paw.
Oh, singing. Is that Tara's fan sitting right here now? I said this. I have to do it justice.
So
Go on.
I'm going to sing it.
Yes.
Give me a little piece,
Just say the
too.
chorus.
Just a little.
So all evil that means me harm can go back where they came from. No demonic works perform shall prosper. Yeah.
Is that? Me know what we know. I know.
I tell the Hobia and the science man come.
Me know what we know.
Hobia man, come here. Can't be the
Me say,
lion
me
power.
know, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, you guys
And I
sounding
pray
good.
that you continue to enjoy coming up on Sunday. Don't be nervous. Just, you're here now. Do your thing. Anyway,
Nerves are good energy, though.
Yeah.
You know. You just have to harness them.
just
the right
before
way.
we go, for Simone to win a ticket to the final,
I need no ticket, guy.
yeah,
I'm just gonna use my Heidi and bus come in here.
Kevin first, who comes in 2005.
5? I don't
Right
remember.
after Kevin,
Oh, I don't remember.
name start with C. His last name start with M. And first name
Martin, Chris.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
yeah,
Gosh. 2006.
I tell
It
you
was a group.
and the
It was a group.
salesman come.
It was a group.
I don't care if it's a lion power.
Thank you.
We should answer to?
In Jesus'
We
name.
should answer to?
Yeah, you know?
Yeah,
Why you want a ticket to the finals
Yeah,
too?
yeah.
No, I just love
Who?
quiz.
Who?
You want 1/3 and 2007 now would be
2007.
2007. Oh my. Oh
The
my,
show
oh
soon
my.
done.
Brown Sugar, was it Brown Sugar?
No, not Brown.
Oh, Camille Davis.
No, you're wrong.
You wrong again?
Name start with R. He was on All Together Sing too.
Romain Virgo, sorry.
Thank you very much.
Sorry,
2008.
That's supposed to be
It's not supposed to be, just tell me.
Camille Davis.
You're right. 2009.
Brown Sugar.
Well, this just says sugar. I mean, you get
Okay.
brown. 2010.
Granulated?
Yeah, graduated. 2010.
Was it Dalton?
Dalton Harris,
Yeah.
Gosh.
2011.
Atash?
Yeah, me hear that now you can't.
Oh.
Touch.
Good job, Prince. You win a ticket.
2012. This one I didn't know.
It was Sharp.
Yeah, but I didn't know
Sharp
that.
Boss. It was Sharp Boss?
No. A year before.
Wasn't it?
Sharp was.
Sharon and Jonas. Oh.
I didn't know that. Name.
Sharon has been watching this show for a long time.
I didn't know that. Name.
Eh? And recording. the winners.
2013. Him don't sing.
Oh, Verlando. Small thing.
2014.
2014 maybe. Sharp Boss.
Terezi.
Terezi. Oh, Sharp Boss after.
You just want to get shot by something. 2015.
Oh, he did win. Sharp Boss did win.
And a Sharp Boss, they know.
Jody K. James, 2015.
March
2016, Elton Earlington. 2017.
Sharp Boss.
Thank you.
And last year,
Tash Solomon.
go to the same school that you go. Aye.
Jesus, can't take never.
2019.
Me.
Celicia.
Who named me? Fantastic effort. Congrats for being in the final.
Thank
Just
you.
go after it, man. Just go after it.
Thanks.
See? And deal with it. All right? We'll be watching. The entire country will be watching.
I can say something.
You can't say anything.
Vote for me.
There's a vote for you?
Yeah.
Tell the people over there.
What, you have a vote
See,
number?
camera there?
So my voting number is
Right to the
1-876-444-5501, and my name is Celicia Ellis.
Why should I vote for you?
Because I'm determined to win.
Okay, your turn.
Yes, my name is Sherlon Russell. My voting number is 876-444-5505.
Why should I vote for you?
Should vote for me because I
You're a
mean
wet
well.
rat.
I mean well, and I hope to inspire you in the future. That's my
And
favorite
you're
thing.
not a wet rat.
I'm not a wet
And why
rat.
should we vote
Dry,
for you?
dry rat.
Well, why should you vote for me?
We'll be right back,
I am
everybody.
just the
Just
top
no.
singer in the entire world.
We want to vote you off the island is what we've been trying to do for
And
the
Sophie,
longest
vote
time.
for me. The great
We'll soon come back.
Richard.
We're going to meet at Jamaica.
Everett.